everyone is able to produce crappy content now with ChatGPT and similar tools. But then your results are going to be crappy as well. Chances are that your results are going to be crappy, especially after search engines have become quite smarter into understanding the content that is not helpful. I mean, there is still a way to go for them to understand it better, but we have dozens and hundreds of examples where sites have been penalized because of their low quality content.
What are your thoughts on AI in general? Like, do you feel it's something that can actually help all of us, remove some of the menial tasks? Or do you feel at some point it might be Skynet and Terminator?
Well, AI is revolutionizing the way that we do our work. And it is having a really high impact on different industries. We don't know what we don't know at this stage. It is still under developing, but we are seeing really ways how AI, especially tools like ChatGPT, are helping different set of jobs to make their work more efficient, starting from helping you to do a small task to automation. And we ourselves are using this to speed up some of our internal processes, but we don't know what the future brings. And I'm quite sure that the future looks bright if we are really careful on the way that we use AI. And there are going to be really rules and policies and the way that AI works, the way that the content that it's used to be trained with, and what you can do with AI. And there is still a long way to go for that to establish as a market. But I think since the invention of the not the internet but the web, I think AI is actually the big thing, and the impact that it is having on many industries is evident.
Yeah, and I hope that it continues this way itself and more people kind of feel the same way that you do, where it is going to be a brighter future and not a Terminator future where we have to worry about the robots taking over.
For sure, new jobs are going to be created. Some old jobs that includes manual tasks and technical tasks are going to be out. Some part of those work are going to be automated, and that's the market. I mean, if you don't adapt to the market changes, if you don't learn new skills, if you don't gain new knowledge, then chances are you're going to be out of the market soon. So some jobs are going to be replaced by AI, but a lot of new ones are going to be created. So I truly believe that balance is going to look positive.